Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the difference between molecular formula and empirical formula in a simple way. So as we know, molecular formula represents the actual number of atoms present. While empirical formula represent the simplest ratio of molecular formula. Empirical formula represents simplest form of molecular formula. Now let's take an example, that is H2O2. So as it is H2O2, what will be the simplest form? Simplest form in the sense you have to check the subscripts present here. If it is divided by any common number, then we'll divide it. So here the common number will be 2. So when we are dividing 2 by 2, we will get 1. So that's why the H2O2 become HO. That means the empirical formula of H2O2 is HO. Now let's take one more example, that is C6H12O6. Here the common number is 6. So we will divide 6 by 6, 12 by 6, again 6 by 6. Then the empirical formula will become CH2 and O. Okay. Now let's take one more example, that is called NH3, means NH3 ammonia. So the common number to be divided here is 1, because the HCF of 3 and 1 is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1 and 3 by 1 is 1. So the empirical formula of ammonia will be still the same as NH3. So this is the difference between the molecular formula and empirical formula. From this we can calculate the molecular formula mass and empirical formula mass also. Now let's take an example, that is NH3. So the molecular mass will be 14 plus 3 into 1 equal to 17 m. And here the empirical formula mass will be same, because the empirical formula is also same, 14 plus 3 into 1 equal to 17 AMU. Okay, so this is what your empirical formula and molecular formula, and this is strictly for class 9 ICSE, because in 10th standard there is a different form of calculation of empirical formula. Hope you like this and hope you understand this. So thank you, and like, share, subscribe.